Well, Year 12, here we have another in the series of revision videos for the chapter reviews. This one is in continuing chapter 3, the one on interest, investments and loans. And we're going to focus on the short answer questions 9 to 13 in this one. Okay, so question 9. We've got a depreciation thing. So the formula, which I'll explain in a sec, is this one. Very similar to the compound interest one. S is a sort of salvage value, which is the value of the car after it's depreciated for a certain number of years. And the 5 years will be going there. And the P0 is the value of the purchase price, so 19,000. And there's our rate. So that's P0. That's R, the rate, and that's N. Okay, let's put them in. So the salvage value equals P0, which is 19,900, 1 minus the rate, 24%, and it's over 5 years. Okay, let's get a calculator happening. There we are. So 19,900, 1 minus the 24%, because you want to reduce things, not increase when we're depreciating, to the power of 5. $5045 to the nearest dollar, 5046. That's the nearest dollar, so that's what the salvage value is after 5 years, having bought it for 19,900. Okay, how much has the car depreciated? So that's 9A, 9B, depreciated this much. Okay. Minus 5046. 14,854. That's how much it's depreciated over the 5 years. So there's questions 9A and B. Question 10. A. Okay, this one, we've got a loan of 21,000, 36 months. Repayment rate is that per month. How much will pay back altogether? Well, that's this one. So $753.42 times the number of months, 36. 753.42 times 36. $27,123.12. 20, that's how much he's paid off. $123.12. How much is paid back altogether? Yep, that's that one. Yep, very good. 10B. Equivalent simple interest rate per annum. Okay, so a little bit of fiddling around here because the simple interest formula and we know 3 of those things. We know what, no, we don't know what the interest is yet. Okay, so we need to do the interest first. The interest part is the difference between what is paid and what the original price was. So I'll take 21,000 away from that. The difference is the interest, $6,123.12. That's our interest. Okay, now we can do the simple interest formula. And it's going to take a little bit of manipulating stuff. Principal is 21,000 times the rate, which we're trying to find out, times the number of times per annum. Per annum means 36 months is 3 years. So times 3. How to rearrange this a bit to isolate the R. We're going to divide because there's a lot of multiplying here. So we're dividing. And what we're going to do is turn it into a fraction because that's dividing. 21,000 times 3 is 63,000. Oops, too many zeros. There's better. And that will be our rate. Let's do that. $6,123.12 divided by 63,000 equals, and that's the rate in decimal times 100 to get the percent, 9.7. What's it wanted in? One decimal place, 9.72. Yep, 9.72% is the answer to 10B. Okay, running out of space a little bit, so I'm going to do question 11 here. Yep. James borrows $280,000, repays the loan equal fortnightly payments of $12.50 over 20 years. That's a lot of payments. $12.50 per fortnight. And so what's the flat rate of interest? So we're going to do something similar, except a couple of extra bits of calculating. What's he pay? Yep, that's per month. This is per fortnight. So $12.50 over 20 years. So 26 fortnights in a year and 20 years. That'll be what he's paid. $20 years this time. 650,000. Okay, that's the total of being paid. And now we could do the same to what we did here. We've got to find out the actual interest amount by that, what he's paid, minus what the loan was for. So I'm going to take away the 280,000. Leaves us with 370,000. So interest is 370,000. Now that equals the principal times the rate, because we've got to find his rate thing again, times and number of time periods. I'm going to run out of space I can see, so I'll keep going here. So to cut it short, the principal is 280,000 and the number of time periods is 20. So I'm going to turn it into this affair here. So the 370,000 over that P times 20 will be the rate. Let's do that first. $280,000 times 20. And then to find the percent times 100. 6.6, two decimal places, 6.61. There's our answer to question 11. By doing the finding how much you paid altogether, then subtracting the original loan to get you what the interest was. Then interest is the same as the principal times the rate times the number of times. And since we were finding the rate, we had to do the same as what we did here. So we turned it into a fraction like we did, and then we got 6.61%. Okay. Question 12. Credit card with an interest rate of 17% per annum, compounding daily. So we're going to do a bit of adjusting. Use the credit card to pay for shoes, cost $170, and paid 26 days later. So the interest is happening for 26 days. All right, so what's the total amount you pay for the shoes including interest? Well, that would be the 170 that you paid plus the interest calculation. Now, what is it? 17% per year. And since it's compounded daily, we've got to find the 1 day's worth. So 365. That is the daily interest rate when you include the fraction, and just for 26 days. That'll give us the answer. The original price plus then to work out the interest part of it. 1 plus 17%. Yep. So what's that? 170 bracket 1 plus, we got our 17%, and because that's 17% is yearly, for daily, divide that yearly by 365, and it's for 26 days. There we are, $172.07. 172.07. There we are. Now, question 13. Okay, 13. So we got an credit card fee of $300, and then cash advance fee of $4, and a late payment fee of $20. Calculate Haley's banking costs for the year if. Okay, A. We do the $300 for the credit card fee plus how many? 9 cash advances at $4. So 9 times $4, and we've got to add to that 5 late payments, and late payments are 20. Well, that's 36, and that's 100. So that's 436 for that scenario. Then scenario number 2, yearly credit card fee plus we've got 15 cash advances and $4 for each one, plus 7 late payments at 20. That's 60, 740, so that's 200, plus 300 is 500. Remember that 300 is the annual credit card fee. So there's the answer, 436 if you do them, and 500 if you do that. Okay, thank you.